Today we'll be going over 3 adjustments you can make to your sliding glass door for smoother function and a tighter seal when locked. Open the movable door panel for access to the roller assembly adjustment screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to raise the door by turning clockwise or counterclockwise to lower. If your door doesn't lock securely, adjust the mortise latch hooks with a slotted screwdriver. Turn clockwise to extend the length of the latch. After adjusting the height of the rollers, it may be necessary to realign the keeper. Mark the position of the latch on the door frame. Uninstall the keeper. And realign it with the marked placement of the mortise lock. For additional help from our experts, visit us today at swissco.com.